I'm really not a chef. I just enjoy feeding people. I've always done that. I was silly enough when somebody said you should open a restaurant. I said, sure. And that's how that started. Food that we serve at Cheeni is food that I have served my children as they were growing up, my husband. I cooked some of it back home in India. Every one of the items we serve, and it's listed on our menu, is only there because it's personal to us, or it's reminiscent of a food memory or a particularly poignant time in my life. And I've just translated those moments to dishes. We have an open kitchen, which is very unusual for most Indian cuisine restaurants. And that is something we actually enjoy because, flame in the pan and all of that, and the aromas of all the seeds hitting the ghee, blooming of spices, and all of that adds to the hospitality experience. Every day is different. Every guest who walks in the door is different. We have our regulars, so we see familiar faces. We have a sense of community. If I can go home at the end of the day, bone tired, because I've worked and I've worked well, and we served people well, that's success to me. The bar Beej is really all my daughter, Amy, and the ingredients that come from the kitchen. And that's what I believe makes our cocktail so successful, is the fact that the ingredients come from the kitchen. There's a through line from our beverages to our food and through to our desserts. And that is very important, especially when the cuisine is as specialized as Indian regional cuisine. Durham, that has truly welcomed us with open arms, and we feel at home here. I never imagined it, and now I can't imagine not being here.